Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to enjoy it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and also let's start the video without wasting any time and wasting. So let's start this video. You can see the first picture, the beautiful decoration ideas and the wall, very beautiful makeover. You can see the wall, curtain, everything very beautiful, very good, very expensive. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all looking very beautiful, very aggressive. You can see this one also the wall painting decoration, beautiful decoration and all. You can see the side wall and the down. You can see beautiful. It's also you can see beautiful. You can see the up lights and all. Beautiful decoration, beautiful management. It's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration, the side decoration, beautiful decoration and all, looking very beautiful. So also you can see the beautiful place. You can see good good idea and decoration. You can see very beautiful. This one also this wall and all very looking beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the bed decoration very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The wall and the down you can see the floor beautiful, and up you can see beautiful black color theme decoration, good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the curtain and the window mirror. You can see beautiful, looking very beautiful, very attractive. You can see the flowers and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the plants. You can see the fan, the wall, the decoration, beautiful decoration and all, looking very good, very attractive. It's also very beautiful. You can see the white color wall, and you can see the bed, very beautiful decoration, very good, very expensive. This also very beautiful, looking very good. This also very beautiful, looking very attractive, very beautiful, very good decoration, very good design. This one also very beautiful, white color, and you can see the flower and the all very beautiful. And you can see the flowers and the plants and white color. This also very beautiful. You can see the black color wall. Black color. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and all, and the window you can see, and the screen you can see, the mirrors you can see beautiful, the side lights you can see, the down you can see very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, very beautiful lamp, and the down you can see it like in the down like body. This also very beautiful looking. This also, this is not constructed, it is remaining, construction is remaining, beautiful decoration they are doing, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the up lamps and the bed. You can see beautiful bed, and the mirror and the window you can see looking very beautiful, attractive. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.